Hello, this is Solomon Davis with Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. Today is December 3rd, 2016, and this is my weekly trade review, where I review my weekly NASDAQ trade. It's a day trade where we trade the 9:30 open. Green candle we trade up, red candle we trade down. But let me let you know this is all for educational purposes only. Trading is risky. You can and will lose money. Let me bring up our disclaimer. Read it. I just want to point out this line right quick. Our products and services are provided solely for educational purposes. Contact your financial advisor, your significant other, see if trading is something suitable for you. All right, let's jump right into the trade review. Like I said, today is December 3rd, 2016, and this is for the week of November 28th through December 2nd. And again, new format. I'm actually looking at the big picture first, and should change that to QQQ. So right now I'm gonna start using the QQQ chart. The QQQ chart matches the NASDAQ 100. That was back when I was comparing NASDAQ and the comp store. Those are not the same. On the big picture, yeah, back up. Yeah, I should have read that a little bit. One, so like I said, Nasdaq is in a pullback. If you look at the week, the daily chart on that Nasdaq was last week. I was saying it was at the top. When you're at the top, you usually pull back. The weekly is pulling back, the monthly is turning down. Well, let's take a close look at that real quick. Okay, right now I'm looking at a monthly chart. As you can see on the monthly chart, like I said, a week ago we was at the top. We formed a doji, and from off this doji, we actually last week, the first of this month, we did a little bit of a downturn. This market can come all the way down to this point or lower, or there's a trend line down here where it can come to. It's all about it in the same area right here, where I'm going up back here in 2000. So that's what I'm seeing on the monthly. We can keep coming down to this level here. Downside, just be careful. On the weekly, I'm seeing what's here again. Last week, I thought maybe we was going in up and maybe we were busting through this area, but again, we haven't been able to bust through this area here yet. So again, we're bouncing on that. Again, we're doing a pullback on the weekly. Daily. Daily market is beginning to show up, and as you can see, on the daily this week, we was at this at the first of the week. Yeah, we were going pretty good. We hit this top, we came right back down, and after that, we formed almost like bearish engulf, and almost not a nice bearish engulf, but enough of it. We did get a nice push back on the downside. Okay, that's all I really want to say about that. I think this market is about, it can come down a little bit lower before we actually turn and go back up. That's probably with some profit taking. That 2 days down and the market didn't really bounce back up. So I can see this market going down lower before it actually reverse back up and try to attack that top again. All right, that's all I really want to say on that. Go back over to the slide. As I say, the Nasdaq is in a pullback. You know, the weekly is pulling back. The monthly is turning right. I say it's turning down. I wouldn't say we're in a downward trend. It's just still just a pullback. Okay, now let's take a look at that Nasdaq morning trade that I like doing. The 9:30 open, 5-minute candle, red down, we sell, green up, we buy. We look to lose no more than 5 points on that trade. We look to profit 5 points or more on that trade. If there's a doji that's $1 or less between the close, that's a no trade. And as you can see on November 28th, there was a doji no trade on November 29th. It actually was like $1.25. If you look at my video, I ended up doing a no trade on that. That was close enough for that day. A live trade. On November 30th, it was down yet stop. But on the video, you'll see we actually made money on that day based on what we were seeing on the chart. We didn't make a lot of money, only made $100. That's still good. On December 1st, it was down for 10 points. And on that day, instead of making a full 10 points. The way I've been just doing these videos, it was set for 5. On December 2nd, I didn't record that day, but that day was up in 10 for 10 points. On the NASDAQ, it's $20 a point. So 10 points is $200. 5 points is $100. We'll chart to see what exactly happened there. Okay. I go to the chart. All right. Let's change this to the NASDAQ. Q. And let's go down into days. And let's look. So now in the big picture, this is that top was hitting that top had identified that top earlier in the week. You never did come back to that top. This thing really actually ended up dropping close to 250 to 200 points. So that would have been a better trade doing a swing trade here on the downside, knowing that we were at the top. But this is a education for day trading. We had day trading. Okay, so on Monday, Doji, no trade. And this is just one trade. As you can see, there's always other trades out there. Sometimes I do a next day's play. On the next day, we had identified this top right here. And we ended up doing us a Doji. And we was looking at it from here to that 62, so 62.25 to here. It didn't even to 65. So it wasn't going to even give us 5 points. We ended up calling this a Doji and no trade. The market was up, especially at a top. Although look what it did, it ended up coming down here and bouncing all the way up there. That first trade, you want to pass on. And that's what this is all about. It's not going to be an open trade. Now, on this day, on Wednesday, we ended up, it was down. And this is what was happening. Yeah, you might want to take that trade, but it never really gave you a good entry on that 9:30 open. 9:30 open trade, I have to say again. So again, if you would have took it down and all that, you stayed hard to your stop at 5 points. Your entry would have been around. Your entry would have been 48.70. And you would have got stopped out on this trade on 48.80. I mean 47, 48.78. So you would have been stopped out on this trade. This would have been, again, trading live money, trading real. This would have been scary. And going up here, closing up here. Although the next candle ended up going into your favor, you may get to it more easily based on that 5 minute candle trade. Yeah, you would have been stopped out. That's why you might want to do a second trade. Like as I say, see my video. Okay. Right here. Just stay down. Nice and clear down. See the video at all on this day. I only got 5 points. I ended up setting it at all for the 5 points. I had set a 5 point stop on it and I walked away. But it got me 5 points on that day. But my recording perfect. This trade didn't never touch your stop. Add to it. Okay, now on the last day, up to 10. This would have been a quick trade. This is a less than 5 minute trade here. And we get those and we watch the video. Although I didn't record this day. This one here is an entry of 47.40. And as you see the videos, there's no problem getting into these trades. Target 47.50. It definitely went up past 47.50. You have room to play. So again, if you got it even late on this trade, you still would have the possibility of getting to more on this trade. The stop, you're going to touch the stop after your entry until after this candle is completed. So in the worst case, you should have at least a break even on this trade. So don't let a winner go to a loser. That's it for the trades. Let me go back. November 28th, Doji, 9th, Doji, 30th, down stop, see the video. December 1st, down at 10, see the video. December 2nd, up, and move forward Okay, so this is Solomon from Right Side Trading. This is my weekly trading review. This is on the 3rd, the week of November 28th through September 2nd. Let's look at Right Side Trading. Check that out. Forces, private mentorship. Get on our emailing list. We do that special for we actually have some people on today, but it only went to our subscribers. So join that. We are traders. We do not have time to sit around, and we do not have a staff to be bombarding you with emails and stuff. Trying to sell. And we make our money we're making our money in the market. So we're trying to help you in the market. We're not trying to get enough out of your trade. We're not trying to get enough from other people. Information out here. I'm getting some of your information. We are just trying to help you trade. This video will be out here on my YouTube page. Check it out. The daily videos that I have out here, my daily trades will remain out here until Sunday evening sometime. I definitely will be down by Monday morning. So we stay trade and stuff out here that long. This is for you to help you out this week. Those of you who are watching this, so enjoy. I hope that those of you have enjoyed the webinar.